last run before we go to London today. Okay, that's it, the last training run in Mexico done. And let's take that off. And it was a good one. I did 2 hours this morning, over 20 kilometers, and feeling really ready now to get to London and to start this amazing journey. So we've got lots going on today. We don't leave until this evening, early this evening, and I've got to pack all this stuff up. So that's what's going to be the task today after I do a bit of cooling down, stretching the muscles and getting ready. The wifey's gone out to get some few last things that we need, and then we're going to get stuck into the packing process today. So we've both travelled a lot in our lives. Wifey used to be a flight attendant, so she's very used to packing for flights and trips, and I spent all my years travelling the world as a corporate executive guy, so loading up all this is not going to be an issue at all, so we'll get stuck into that. And the little boy today, you're going to go and see grandma, aren't you? You're going to go and stay with grandma. Yeah, he's going to have a holiday. You're going to go and stay with grandma, aren't you? So we've got to get ready for him. That's going to be the hardest part for me, is saying goodbye to him and not seeing him for 2.5 months. So difficult, yeah, that one. Okay, go and have a shower and I'll be back soon. Where are you going to go? You're going to go and stay at grandma's, aren't you? Hey? You're going to go and stay at grandma's? Yes? Okay, all done. And the wife didn't help at all. I packed it myself. Look at that. Rain and shitty weather. Yay!
Si ya nos vamos.
Sí, claro. A ver, les ayudo.
No te preocupes, ahorita nosotros llevamos. Are you ready? I don't have my makeup remover.
Oh no, the world's coming to an end.
It is coming to an end. Airport food.
Okay, so we've got some big news to tell everybody. We've just got on our plane and we've decided we're going to Switzerland. So, to everybody in the UK, have a fabulous time. If you're looking for us, we'll be in the Swiss Alps somewhere.
Drinking in hot chocolate.
hot chocolate, no, pina coladas.
Oh my God, you.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
So thank you all very much for organising this run and all these partners, but we've decided to go to Switzerland.
Oh God. No, we're not.
No?
No, we're
It
not.
says Zurich on here.
It does.
Okay, no,
Okay.
all seriousness, we're
No,
on the
no.
flight to London, folks. And wifey, what do you think of it so far? It's going to
Yeah.
get cold now.
Yes. Yeah. It's gonna be a packed plane. So.
It's a full flight and
Yes.
we're about as far back as you'd ever want to go. Look at this. I hope they turn the I hope they close the rear door because we're right down there. Yeah, very close. And look, you can have a look at the Cancun sunset tonight. It's already set,
Yes, it's always.
but that's where we're going to be heading, somewhere over there. So we're going to sign off for a few hours, and next time you see us, we'll be at London Gatwick, hopefully.
Yeah.
Unless the pilot gets lost.
And we will be ready to start the adventure, right?
Start our adventure,
Yeah.
yeah, exactly. So, good night.
Good night. Have a wonderful night.
We arrived in London and we're the last off the plane.
Yes, we are.
Okay, let's go. And it's freezing fucking cold. What do we got there?
I don't know. Whoa. Wow. Oh, okay. Wow. We have candy and we have charger. But wow. And this is speaker and a lovely note, of course. Good luck in the race. And look. This is crazy, and I don't know. This is like a rain jacket, and a fragrance spray for sleeping, and something underneath. I have no idea. What is it?
Okay, so a huge surprise and a thank you to Claire and the team at Vodafone for hooking us up with all these great things this morning. We've just arrived in London at Gatwick. We've picked up a car and we're putting our UK mobile phones in now so that everybody can contact us. And we're going to be hitting the road. We're going to Taunton this afternoon, so come with us. So here we are, Vodafone.
Yay, thank you.
Proud sponsors of the Run for UK as well.
Yes.
Vodafone's one of our partners. And Claire, thank you very much to you and the team for a wonderful surprise today as we arrived, and we're going to put all these things to good use so you'll see it along the run. Let's stick these things into our phone, and get going.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Is there a contralateral earlier?
No, we're fairly stable.
That's good.
Okay. Just an efficient right
Yeah, it is, isn't it? And trunk. Medial knee diving. Any contralateral earlier?
No.
It's like 0.01 of a degree.
Right.
So really accurate stuff.
Yeah.
And they're basically following
1,000 miles away.
I think so, yeah.
Yeah.
I think so, yeah.
I have an issue giving up control.
Gives you 37. Down the arms on your ankle here. You're going to push this ankle towards the sky. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, push. Push, 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 push. Okay, that's grand. If we have a look at the right, I would say that's a forefoot to midfoot then. But what's interesting, watch this. Watch the ankle collapse.
Yep.
It's the same shot.
Could also be to do with the shoe being
Absolutely.
Well,
Absolutely.
It's
just all getting away.
Absolutely. But,
all of that together.
but we'll put that test by putting in a brand new pair of the Novablast on. Because we haven't.
Is our wonderful host. Our wonderful host. Marion, say hello to the world.
Hello, world.
What do you think of this crazy couple doing this silly journey?
I think it's entirely normal. I might tag along myself.
Good. We got room.
Yes,
Okay, that
we
will
do. You
that will work.
do. Yes.
We've got a Lexus.
Yes, exactly. We have all the space in the world.
We're just about to have this wonderful meal. Look at this, folks. Brilliant stuff. Well, there we go, everyone. There's the first video that we've made since we left Cancun and arrived here in beautiful England, getting ready for the run, which is just 2 days away now. We've been extremely busy since we hit the ground, so the video content is going to change quite a lot as we go forward, and we've got more time to produce. And also all the places that we're going to go to, we're going to be including those in the video. So if you haven't subscribed already to our channel, please do so. And hit the little bell notification. You'll be notified then every time we drop a video. And there's lots of great content coming out. So we've got just 2 days to go before the 1,000-mile run starts. I need to get some rest. So to get over this jet lag and everything else that's going on, I'm going to go and get some sleep right now. And I'll see you again along with Louisa in the next video coming up very soon. Until then, stay safe, everyone. Stay well. And if you can, get out and go for a run. It just may change your life. See ya.